I decided to braid my own hair for the first time, and let's just say it was a journey. If you're thinking about doing your own hair, knotless braids in this case, then sit tight because I've got some major tips to save you some stress. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwayomi. If it's your first time here, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this knotless bun braids. I'm going to be using these two shades of extensions, the blonde and the brown. So these extensions are not pre-stretched, so I'm going to be prepping them from scratch, stretching and mixing the two shades together to achieve this look. So work with me, guys. First things first, nobody tells you how tricky parting your own hair is until you're in front of one mirror struggling to see the back of your head. I was over here turning every angle possible, and still some of these parts, well, I'll say I'm not mad at it because this is my first time and I think I did a good job. So right now I'm parting the first section, which I divided into 3. Now let's talk about extensions, because picking the right one makes all the difference, trust me. You want something lightweight and pre-stretched. It saves so much time and energy, and if the extensions are not pre-stretched, girl, prepare your fingers for your workouts because you need to stretch it so the ends don't look stiff. Nobody talks about how long this process actually takes. I spent about 10 hours on this hair. I had to break it into 2 sessions because at some point my arms were begging for mercy. Literally. If you're going to be doing this for the first time, pace yourself, take breaks, stretch and stay hydrated because it's a long journey, you guys. It's a lot. For knotless braids, you're going to start the base with just your hair and then feed in the extension in bits. And don't forget, you're adding the extensions from behind, just like I'm doing here. You can add the extension in bits about 5 times or till you're satisfied with the size you want to achieve. For mine, I added about 5 times for the roots, and for the ends, I added about 3 times so the end can be thick as well. So if you want to braid your own hair, I'm going to share the tips I picked up through this process. Get mirrors, or better still, a mirror setup where you can actually see the back of your head. There are good mirrors for this purpose on Amazon. I was basically struggling through this process, so yeah, make sure you get the mirror setup. There are good mirrors for this purpose on Amazon and other sites. I will insert a picture, but you can also do your research. Also, pre-section your hair before starting. It makes parting so much easier. I didn't pre-section mine, and I think it's one of the reasons why the process was a little difficult. Just in case you're wondering why I'm adding the extensions from the front this time, that part of my hair was really slippery, so it was difficult to hold on to the root, so I just had to add just 1 strand of extension to hold it in place. Sometimes you don't have to play by the rules, you just need to do what works best for you at that point. And also make sure you get pre-stretched and ready to use extensions. It will save so much time. I had to prep mine from scratch, and I also think I got the wrong extensions because the texture is not so great. I had to also mix because I used 2 shades here. I used the blonde shade and brown, so I had to mix, and that took a while. So yeah, just make sure you get ready to use extensions. I decided not to use styling gel for this process because most times it builds up and it makes detangling my hair very difficult after I take out the braids. But you could use any good styling gel you have to make it more sleek. You can also blow dry your 4B or 4C type. If you have a natural 4B or 4C, you should definitely blow dry before starting out your braids. I didn't blow dry mine. Yeah, it will just make the process better and sleeker. Also, if you're scared of heat damage, you don't have to worry. Just use your blow dryer on low heat or use heat protectant. And lastly, guys, be patient. Your first time won't be perfect, but you'll get better with time, trust me. I already know my second auto try will be so much better, even though this came out good, Will I be trying this again? Yes, absolutely. And at this point, I was just so happy to be done, even though I was tired. But I have just 2 strands left. I was really happy to be done. But listen, I know the strands got bigger at this point, but we watch, we don't judge, okay? If you're a beginner watching this video and you're wondering if you can also do your hair yourself, trust me, if I can do this, you definitely can too, okay? So I'm going to leave you to enjoy the rest of this video. Watch, learn, and let me know if you're thinking of trying this, and also suggest hairstyles you'd love to see me try in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty content. See you all in my next video. Bye guys.
in my mind. Safe to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from you, rest in me.